How to check your graphic card on your computer. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open a run prompt and then open dxdiaz. Select OK. And here, as you can see, several um, information about your device is shown here, and from here you will be able to see which graphics is being used in your computer from this section. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.